until late this evening. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek above Findlay. When? Until late this evening. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, Eagle Creek will overrun its banks and begin to inundate portions of Fremont and Graceland Avenue. Water will inundate a field near Rosemont Drive. Additional details: at 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 8.7 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 9.4 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this afternoon. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Flood warning in effect from late tonight to early Monday afternoon. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Portage River at Woodville. When? From late tonight to early Monday afternoon. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, the river inundates lower portions of Trail Marker Park and is out of banks in Pemberville. Additional details: at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 8.6 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage by midnight tonight to a crest of 9.7 feet Sunday evening. It will then fall below flood stage Monday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. Flood warning in effect until Monday morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Sandusky River at Tiffin. When? Until Monday morning. Impacts: at 9.0 feet, lowland flooding occurs north and south of the flood wall in Tiffin. Co Street, Water Street, East Davis Street, and Riverside property along Front Street are threatened. Additional details: at 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, the stage was 8.8 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage just after midnight tonight to a crest of 9.3 feet early tomorrow afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage early Monday morning. Flood stage is 9.0 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information.
This has been a Lucas County EAS production.